Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. The title of our project is Secure Runtime Hardware Trojan Detection Using Lightweight Analytical Models. This is the abstract of our project. Hardware Trojans are malicious hardware component that can be inserted into integrated circuit during the design and manufacturing process. It can remain undetected during traditional testing and verification procedures and can be activated at later to cause severe security breaches or performance degradation. Runtime hardware Trojan detection techniques are crucial for identifying Trojan during chip operation. We propose a lightweight analytical model approach using support vector machine, that is SVM, and random forest. To develop a lightweight and efficient runtime hardware Trojan detector method used lightweight analytical model based on a combination of machine learning algorithm to detect a wide range of hardware Trojan with minimal false positives. We got a high accuracy in RFF compared to SVM. So in our project we have used the RFF as our proposed system, and using that we predict the Trojan attack. This is the flow of our project. First we have to start. Let's run our project. After that we have the data selection part. In that we load the data set that we downloaded from the website. We use the pandas package forward. After that we move to the pre-processing. In that we have the two process, that is handling missing values and label encoding. In handling missing values, we just fill the null values of the data set with zeros. In label encoding, we convert these string values into integer values. Both the process are done to our data set to avoid the error at the prediction time. After that, we move the pre-processed data set to data splitting part. Here we split the data into testing and training part. As we have the more data set in training compared to testing part. Then we move to the classification. We have the random forest and SVM algorithm. After classification, we got the result of classification report. Comparing the result of two algorithm, we chose the efficient algorithm. Then we move to the prediction part. Here we find that there is a Trojan attack or not. Let's run our project. Okay. First we have the data load part. We just load the data set, that is hardware Trojan data set that we download from the website. After loading the data set, we have to check the null values and string values present in the data set. After finding the values, we have the two object values and also null values. In pre-processing, we will change the null values into zeros and string values into integers. In label encoding, we will convert the string values into integers. This is the EDA diagram of our data set. After we have the data split part, we split the data set into training and testing. We have the more values, more data set in training part compared to testing part. After we separate evaluation values and target values. Then classifications of SVM, we got the accuracy of 97%. In RFF also we got 98% of accuracy. Comparing the error values, RFF has a lower loss values than SVM. This is the comparison chart. So we choose the RF as our proposed system. Then we predict the values. We just give the values for prediction, and we got there is a Trojan infected or not as a result of prediction.